The AGP G5 125mm high-endurance concrete grinder, a compact concrete grinder with excellent dust control. The G5 is equipped with a 2200-watt motor with variable speed and uses 125mm diamond cup wheels. Smart electronic control includes constant speed that ensures even RPM regardless of load, soft start, overload, and overheat protection. Anti-vibration mountings are installed on the handle to reduce operator fatigue. The variable speed wheel can be adjusted for different conditions. Additional features are a tool-free sliding cover for edge grinding and bristles for efficient dust containment. AGP also offers a grinding trolley for the G5 high-endurance concrete grinder.